need to learn about hooks in React. If you guys have started coding in React already, you'll notice that it's kind of hard to do a couple of things. For example, if you try to use getElementById, I'm sorry my friend, but that literally does not work. So if you guys want to make React web development more efficient, more simple to read, and easier to test and debug, then React hooks are a must for your project, my friend and friends. This is going to be a 3-part series where I'll be going over the 3 top useful React hooks that are going to dramatically improve your programming experience with React.js. If you guys like what you see, do me a favor and hit like and subscribe so this video goes out to more people. So the first React hook we're going to be learning is useRef. Because getElementById doesn't work here, this hook is like the workaround to that. You're going to want to start at the top of your file where the imports are and type in import useRef from React, making sure that useRef is surrounded by brackets. Now I have this picture of a robot and a button here, and my goal is for the robot to do a 360 flip whenever the button is clicked. I also have an animation to do that here in my CSS file, so all I gotta do now is give that animation to the robot when my button is clicked. In my React file, I'm going to create a variable called robo for the robot image and then set it equal to useRef and then put robo as part of the parameters. UseRef is going to basically track the reference for the name robo, and I'm going to assign that reference tracking to the robot image by creating a property in the image called ref and then setting that equal to robo. Now my robot is connected to this useRef hook here, and I'm going to make a function called spin. That's going to take the image and add the animation. And the last thing we need to do now is connect the function to my button using onClick. So now if I hit Control Save and click the button, so there you have it guys. useRef will reference any element that you choose, and now you have the ability to modify elements with JavaScript. In the next video, I'll go over something called useState, but if you guys are still thirsting to learn more stuff, I have a series going over the basics of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript linked in the description, and don't forget to stay hydrated.